Alrighty, so we got another install video here of our Weld In sliders for the XJ. This is the style you're going to pick if your rockers are either rusted, rotted, or just smashed in altogether. You want to start off, get your Weld In slider, set it up by the Jeep, right under the rocker there, right under the door. See where it starts and goes. You can basically tell it matches the whole area. Make a white line all the way around to where you're going to cut from. And I'll be back to you in a few once I get it cut out. Alrighty, so now we're back with our next step here. We got the rocker all cut out and ready. So now you will take your Weld In slider, set it into place. You'll make a mark so where you need to grind everything to clean it all up for welding. Once you got that all welded and clean, you'll get some jacks and jack stands, get it underneath, into place, and tack it into place. Alright, back in a few. Alright, so we're back now. We got everything cleaned up, put up in a place where it needs to be at. Everything's ground down. So what we're going to do is we'll end up tacking it here across, go about every 6 inches, tack it all the way across, all the way down, down around, down under the pinch seam, and all the way back. And then what you're going to do is every 6 inches, weld a section, skip, weld, skip, all the way around. Once it's completely welded, we usually take a body filler and go over the welds and everywhere else all around just to seal it off, keep it waterproof. When it's all done, I'll get back to you. Another video here, we got our Weld In sliders all welded into place. We got the body primer onto it and we spray painted it up. Everything's welded all the way solid around. Nice clean look. And we'll be back with you with the other side. Alright, so now we're here again. We got the other side of our Weld In slider on the XJ here. Everything's welded in and we got the body filler, put that in over the welds, painted it, all that. Blend it all in, keeps it all nice, tight, waterproof. Alright, back to you in a little bit with some more stuff.